Good morning. We wanted to take a few minutes to remind you of some of your Project Prepare resources that are available for you on our website. Our website is eastersealsopts.org. And if you go to the targeted projects and down to Project Prepare, you'll come to the landing page. When you scroll down on the page, you'll come to the monthly topics. All of the things that are in blue are the topics that we've covered so far this year, and the ones in orange are the ones that we will cover in the next few months. If you click into one of the folders, you'll find the recorded training, which is usually right at an hour. And then the task analysis, which walks you through the steps of what to do after the training, and any other resources that are available that go along with that training. I'm going to go back out to the main page. And I want to show you what this little resources by topic button over here to the right does. If you go into this, you'll see all of the folders each month at the top. So you can access the resources I just showed you in the folders here as well. There's a quick little Project Prepare glossary with some terms that we frequently use. And there's a project map. I want to encourage each of you who are going through Project Prepare, especially you teachers in the classrooms who are working through Project Prepare, to go ahead and open this project map, print it, or make a copy for yourself so that you can record your progress right on the map. You'll see the month that we offered each training, the topic, and the resources that are available. And then over here on the right, you have a column to mark your progress. You can put the dates that you've completed things. You can click the check boxes so that you can keep up with your progress. If you aren't at the same place that we are in the training, we just finished classroom procedures and functional routines, and we'll go to student schedules in March. If you're not there, that's okay. But go ahead and mark the progress that you have made and the topics that you've completed. Those of you who are Project Prepare implementation sites, you can send those by email, please, to your Project Prepare team leaders so that we can see where you're at and know where we can help support you. If you go further down on the page, it tells you about those trainings, the professional learning that we offer. It's the second Tuesday of the month for an hour. The next one will be March 8th at 3:30, and we'll also record it and put it in the folder on the website like I just showed you. So when we record those, we usually have those up within a day or two of the training. If you're coming to join us live on Zoom, you can click join now and it will take you straight to the Zoom link. No registration required. Just come join us. And just a little note, the teams that are really successful at this and are building sustainability over time are the teams that they're teaming, they're working together. They're watching the trainings together. They're going over the task analysis and using the fidelity checklist. Teachers, you can use that fidelity checklist to self-assess and give yourself an idea of where you're at on that topic. And it's also a great tool for administrators to use as a walkthrough tool to provide feedback to teachers on where their progress is related to that specific topic. So if you're not watching these as a team, if you haven't already considered the teaming piece, we encourage you to look at your calendar today, find a time, sit down with your administrator or your paraprofessionals, your related service providers. Teachers, you're not alone in this, and no one has to do it by themselves. So gather your team, and we encourage you to work on it together, which will help you be successful. We also wanted to talk for a minute about our community of practice, which is available to everyone who's working in our special education classrooms. It can be administrators, teachers, related service providers, paraprofessionals. Everyone is welcome to join us. This is on the fourth Tuesday of each month for 1 hour, and we try to focus around the topic of the month. So we come together, do some brainstorming, share ideas. That's been really fun to watch people be able to share ideas with other districts and other teams that are working on the same thing. So we invite you to join us for that. The next one will be February 22nd at 3:30. That's next Tuesday. And we'll talk about classroom routines and procedures, which was our last training. Once again, you can click join now and it will take you straight to the Zoom. We hope this has been a helpful little recap of some of the things that are available for you, and we hope you have a great day.